Busoga Mbale Soloti wano mu Kampala kumbi abe Masaka nabye kumbi londe kumbi yeyo dipi bola bagurini yeyo dipi bofunye chikonde olaga dipi kwate kumbi kala ya kiragala omwaka guno dipi omwaka guno adi basesa bwaka sesa dipi twake dipi bya bulimi n'ebyobusuubuzi dipi bya njigiriza n'ebyemizannyo dipi bya bulamu n'ensonga z'ettaka dipi dipi y'amazima n'obwenkanya ku misolo gy'amayumba dipi enetuyamba n'emisolo emirala ejja kutuyamba.
What is happening? Can the other people go and let the chairman be there? Colleagues, let the chairman be there and the rest of the delegates go and sit.
Joseph Kasolo yakitandika nga bulijjo mazima na bwenkanya bwebibala obwaffe.
And of course, if you got the t-shirts yesterday, there is no need for you to come there. Think about your colleagues as well. Think about your colleagues.
abakola omusingi bonna atayomugwanya nagikwata oyo yaddirirwa beni Kawanga nagikwata Kawanga we yavako Sebana nagikwata Sebana we yagenda Mau yagikutte.
Officers, help us create some order there. Chairman, one after one.
Can we have all the delegates seated in? Can we have the delegates in?
Only the chairperson here then.
Security.
Busoga Mbale Soloti wano mu Kampala kumbi abe Masaka nabye kumbi londe kumbi yeyo dipi bola bagurini yeyo dipi kwate kumbi kala ya kiragala basesa kwaka sesa dipi twake dipi bya bulimi n'ebyobusuubuzi dipi bya njigiriza n'ebyemizannyo Uganda tulina dipi atano mwena dipi yatandika nga bulijjo Joseph Kasolo injinia ye yakitandika nga bulijjo mazimana bwenkanya bwembalo bwaffe bw'ofunye ekikonde otegeeza dipi bwefunye ekikonde ndawowa dipi lengera ekikonde eyo ye dipi esosola mu mawanga kagabeere madini nga bulijjo esosola mu bagagga kababeere abaavu nga bulijjo ebibiina bya Uganda mwenna tubabanja nga bulijjo abakola omusingi bonna abadipi Kasolo bw'ayita matayamugwanya n'agikwata oyo yaddirirwa Beni we yavaako Kawanga n'agikwata Kawanga we yavaako Sebaana n'agikwata Sebaana we yagenda Mau yagikutte musajja nvuumuulo taluma mu kigambo bwe kibanga kizimba ggwanga Mau teyemotyamotya funye ekikonde wano mu Buganda n'eri mu mambuka kirireyo mwakole paka erukunjiri efotipoturo bundi bujjo Kasese Busoga Mbale Soloti wano mu Kampala kumbi abe Masaka nabye kumbi londe kumbi yeyo dipi olaba Gurini yeyo dipi ofunye ekikonde olaga dipi kwate enkumbi kala ya kiragala omwaka guno dipi omwaka guno anti basesa bwaka sesa dipi twake dipi bya bulimi n'ebyobusuubuzi dipi bya njigiriza n'ebyemizannyo dipi bya bulamu n'ensonga z'ettaka dipi y'amazima n'obwenkanya ku misolo gy'amayumba dipi eneetuyamba n'emisolo emirala ejja kutuyamba bw'ofunye ekikonde oli wa dipi okwata enkumbi olonda dipi
All the delegates to see Pavil how Pavil.
How we control this thing because they are passing the other side entering. Barriers they pretend to be going to eat.
There is no security there. How many have passed there?
Times when then those guys you're talking about.
And even here, there is nobody. Boss, can we have someone here? Can we have someone here? And then also there are people who are pretending and then they pass the other side. So if we have someone here, let me get one. Gaspar.
Sasa katereze mwana mugamba katereze. Sigawe ya katereze. Chama waje mwingi.
You are looking at English. Let's correct the watch this.
Bakola mu mesa.
Just he's the chairman. When he's speaking there. You're talking about innocent of Masindi. This one is of have it.
Journalism, harmony and unity. The struggle continues. We are committed.
program z'urukuratana aha Tayari West. Otaferwa aha Tayari West.
General Kasese Geta omubyenkurakurana obwiro bwojumaziremu eri kutambuleta kuryo ko nogereba.
Actually Kasese sazuna metukubaliza mu byenkurakurana Kasese genzera hara muno. Ubo comparing Kasese na Fort Portal like Nambarara no sanga Kasese yemyaka 5 nyuma tinyo Kasese yemyaka 1.
Kasese ine businesses nyingi twine nankeji fish ebyenyanja twine nanka gundi of course nabona abashubuzi norango eri border Congo border so mare rukuruga Congo nbagiguruzo bumwe Kasese byona Kasese ze shati twine bizibu yamane kizibu kikatwatchine emyaka yenyuma ubu twabe twine bizibu bitakwataga no bya insecurity konkeze shaha security turyoke
ebyo kwirinda bya Kasese birije twine shonga yona kuyawo buntu buke police nezamu nebikwatamu je cyaba kiriye cyamani munonga na ita UPDF ka bakora nabo kumwe kuyawo kizibu cyo twine naba bana ba street kids nibo baba benshi nitugeza umunonga probation inageza umunonga nabandi nebitongore binini biza konka no abo kubata na twine